Hey guys, we are really excited to show you our rooftop apartment in Paris. It's one of the most unique apartments we've stayed at in all of our travels, and we're anxious to show you what it's all about. So generally, we would take an elevator to the 6th floor and then walk up to the 7th floor to our apartment. But I am already on the 6th floor, and we're just gonna take this back stairwell here, which the stairs only lead to our apartment. So we're the only apartment on the 7th floor. So we're here, and hopefully Rhonda is ready for us, and we'll show you around.
Hey everybody! So welcome to our rooftop apartment here in Paris. So you enter this big front door, and then you come into this sort of slim foyer, and then I'm going to take you right into the dining area. So this is a nice big table where we've been able to eat, and we've had breakfasts here as well as dinners, and this is a huge apartment for us. I think you'll notice that on this tour because we have an extra person with us during this stay. My sister-in-law, Mitchell's sister, Holly, came to visit us during this time, and it was great to have a bigger space for all of us. So not only is this a dining area, but here is a beautiful piano. We have not had a piano in any of our apartments that we've stayed in. It's a baby grand piano, and it's in tune, and it's been amazing. So Mitchell has especially really enjoyed it since he is the big time piano player in the family. So not only do we have a piano, but we had these beautiful bookshelves that we could store things on. And then probably one of our favorite features in this living space, which includes this love seat as well as this couch. We spent a lot of time here talking, but one of the best features has been this amazing natural light coming in through these arched window areas. So every single room just about in this apartment has amazing views over the city. We're really high up. So I'm gonna open one of these, and I'm gonna show you, like, from here we can see the Sacré-Coeur, we can see the Arc de Triomphe, we can see the Eiffel Tower. So not only does it let in beautiful light and amazing fresh air, but it also lets us see great things in the city. Aren't those views stunning? Okay, so now we're gonna come back through the living space, and we're gonna show you one of the bedrooms. We have 3 this time since Holly's staying with us. So this is where Holly stayed. So it's a smaller bedroom, but it has a queen size bed. It's pretty low to the ground, so it's more of a futon kind of a situation, but I think it's been fairly comfortable. We have an armoire, so Holly's been able to unpack. You can see her packing cubes are nice and neat in there. And then again, she has a beautiful view of the city, which I know she enjoyed. And then you'll notice there's this huge TV here. We don't speak French, and most of the channels were in French, but we were able to listen to some classical music, but not so much on this TV, but the one that was out in the living area. But it's nice. I'm sure French-speaking people would enjoy it. So now I'm going to take you into the bathroom. So this is the bathing area. So we have a shower right here in the corner. We also have a sink. And then we have a bathtub. Anytime there's a bathtub, Eden is in heaven because she loves to take long baths where she can play with toys and that kind of thing. But I also want you to notice that even from the bathroom, there's a beautiful view of the city. And then we've really enjoyed the European feature of having the toilet area separate from the bathing area, and especially with 4 or 5 people, it makes it just a little more convenient. Okay, so now I'm going to take you through this tiny little door into the kitchen area. So first thing I want you to notice is that there's a beautiful arched window also here in the kitchen area. And then this is This is a nice long kitchen, a nice galley kitchen, and we have probably had one of the most well-stocked kitchens and sort of apartments here, in that we have a stovetop, we also have an oven, we have a washer, and this also functions as a dryer, and then we also have a dishwasher, a toaster, a hot pot, a microwave, a coffee pot, and an espresso machine. So we've had sprinklings of each of those in all of our apartments, but I'm not sure we've ever had a place where we've had all of those things. So it's been really, really nice. So next I'm going to take you to bedroom number 2. To get there, we come back through the living area, and this is our bedroom where Mitchell and I slept. So I'm going to take you right through here. You can see that there is a nice sized queen bed. Again, it was pretty comfortable. We had an armoire, sort of built-in bookshelves here, and you can see we unpacked, put our things, hung our things up in there. And then we had a desk, which was a nice feature. There's also a pack and play. We don't have a toddler, obviously, but if you did, it'd be great space for them. And then we also have, again, the beautiful arched window that gives us amazing views of the city. But a feature that I really want to show you is that most of these external windows in the bedrooms have had an automatic blind closer, for lack of a better description. So on this, with this switch on the wall, I can push the button down, and this blind on the outside comes down, and it actually works as a sound barrier for the traffic below, but it also will blot out any light. And I don't know about you guys, but I really, really don't like it to be light when I'm trying to sleep. So then it helps us to sleep better when we have that nice feature. So anyway, I thought that was really cool. All right, now I'm going to take you to bedroom number 3. So to get there, we come back out into the living space. Here's the dining area that you'll remember. Here's the front door where we entered. Here's the foyer. And then this is the girls' room back here. The layout here is a little bit different. So they have an armoire. All their things are sort of packed away in there. A desk with amazing views of the city. And then we also have this cubby hole back here where there is a set of bunk beds, which they love because they can be together but at the same time separate. So this has been a really comfortable place for all 5 of us. We've really enjoyed it. But a feature that we think is really cool that we haven't honestly gotten a lot of opportunity to use because we've been so busy here in the city is this room up here. I don't know, we're kind of calling it the indoor sitting rooftop room. I'm not really sure, we don't have a good name for it. But to get there, you take these sort of wonky steps, which I'm gonna walk up these and I'll meet you at the top. So as you can see, it's really bright in here. You can't feel that it's really warm in here, but it's completely covered by windows. You can open the windows, and you can also use these blinds to block the sun if you need to. But the most impressive feature is that this gives you 360-degree views of the entire city. So you can look out, you can see the Eiffel Tower, you can see Sacré-Coeur. Anyways, you can obviously just see all the iconic buildings that are here in Paris. We've really enjoyed this place so much. Yeah, so it's been the largest and most amazing place we've stayed at in terms of being in a central location right near the train station, but also within walking distance to some of the unique features of the city. So that's our tour here of our Paris apartment, and we hope you've enjoyed it. And if you have, it'd be great if you gave us a thumbs up. If you haven't already done so, we'd love to have you subscribe to our channel. And as always, we'd love to hear your comments below. Have a great day. Bye.